Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. Today I'm going to be sharing how to make this beautiful paint rest using leftover polymer clay pieces. So let's get started. So this is my box of open and leftover polymer clay pieces and I'm going to be using them for today's project. So for first one I'm taking all the little pieces I have which matches the shade of a leaf and I'm mixing them forming a marble kind of a effect like this. And then I'm taking a baking paper, placing the clay on top of it and rolling it nicely to form an oval shape. Next I'm taking an X-Acto knife to cut out a leaf shape from this clay piece. And then I'm taking some clay tools to smoothen the edges and also to carve the leaf design on top of it. Now I'll keep it aside while I make other paintbrush rest, placing two wooden clay tools beneath it like this. And let's move on to the next paint rest. For this I have taken a little bit piece of an orange and red polymer clay and mixing it nicely. Now I'll take the leftover of previous paint rest and the red and orange polymer clay and making a marble ball like this. And then I'll take a chunk of yellow polymer clay and then I will mix this marble chunk with yellow polymer clay because I want the yellow space to be more than other colors. You'll get to know what I mean in a bit. So this is how it looks. There is a more yellow space than other colors which I wanted. Now I am rolling it nicely, forming an oval shape, and we don't want to cut anything from this clay piece. So with this oval shape, whatever design I like, I'll fold both the sides from it and keep it aside. Now moving on to the third paintbrush rest, I have taken only red polymer clay for this and I'm conditioning it, rubbing it in my fingers and on my palms to smoothen it out. And then I'll roll this one in a circle shape. While making this paintbrush rest, make sure it's not too thin, like thoda sa thick rahega to it will be very good and sturdy. Now I'm taking the cap of a paintbrush and cutting out a circle in the center of this, just making some different design to make it more interesting. And then I'm taking this wooden stamp and placing my clay in the center like this with the help of the circle cutout and pushing it to form a design on the clay. I should have pushed little bit harder, but theek hai, it looks good. Now to make it function as a paintbrush rest, I am folding it from the four sides like this. Now I am placing my polymer clay pieces on the baking tray to bake them, and I'll use aluminum foil to hold them in shape while they bake. For the red one, I'm not using any aluminum foil. I think it will work like this only. So now let's bake it. So bake as per the instruction of your polymer clay. Once they are baked, let them cool down for a few minutes before handling them. And now our clay pieces are ready to be painted and glazed. For painting, I am using this gold metallic acrylic paint from Fabicryl and I am taking little bit on my finger and rubbing it onto the design of this red paintbrush rest and also on the edges of it to give it a dry brush effect. And for the green leaf one, I'm adding little bit of gold into the carved lines of the leaf and I'll let all the paint dry completely and then we'll add the glaze to it. This glaze will add a shine to our polymer clay pieces and will also protect them from, will make them waterproof, dustproof, etc. So yeah, glaze them with this Sculpey gloss glaze and let the glaze dry completely, and then we are ready to use our paintbrush rest. So I really hope you all liked this video. Hit that like button if you do, it really helps, and comment down below your thoughts on it, or you can comment your request for future videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's reach to 50,000 subscribers jaldi se jaldi. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Love being creative.